Welcome back to RunmanReCords Design. Today we show you best New York loft apartment design ideas. Industrial chic aesthetic. Exploring the industrial style. Embrace the edgy charm of industrial design with its raw, unfinished look that celebrates utilitarian elements. King exposed brick walls, weathered wood, and metal accents that add character and history to your loft space. Incorporating exposed brick and pipes. Exposed brick and pipes are iconic features of loft living. They add texture and a touch of urban grit to your apartment. Don't hide these industrial elements. Embrace them as part of your decor to create a unique and stylish look. Maximizing space in a loft layout. Utilizing vertical space with loft beds. Loft beds, a clever way to maximize vertical space in your loft apartment. By raising your bed off the ground, you free up valuable floor space for living areas or storage. Plus, they add a cozy nest-like feel to your sleeping quarters. Creating functional zones in an open floor plan. With an open floor plan, it's essential to define different areas for living, dining, and working. Use racks, furniture replacement, and room dividers to create distinct zones while maintaining a cohesive flow throughout your loft. Urban loft furniture trends. Sleek and minimalist furniture designs. Opt for sleek and minimalist furniture designs that complement the industrial aesthetic of your loft. Clean lines, neutral colors, and understated elegance will enhance the spacious feel of your apartment while adding a touch of modern sophistication. Creative storage solutions for loft living, utilizing built-in shelving and cabinetry. Built-in shelving and cabinetry are essential for keeping your loft organized and clutter-free. Utilize vertical wall space for storage to display books, art pieces, and personal belongings while maintaining a clean and streamlined look throughout your living area. Personalizing your loft with art and decor. Make your loft a reflection of you with the right art and decor. Got a big, blank wall staring back at you? Fill it with artwork that speaks to your soul and adds a pop of personality. Don't forget the small stuff, decorative accents, I like the cherry on top, tying the space together and making it uniquely yours. Let your inner decorator loose and have fun with it. In conclusion, designing a New York loft apartment involves a blend of creativity, functionality, and personal style. Friends, thank you very much for watching. I hope you will find this loft apartment design idea very useful. You watched the channel about interior design, RunmanReCords, design